Hi, this is Art with OCRV in Yorba Linda, California. Let's take a look at this great project. 1953 flexible bus, originally delivered to Catalina Island when it was brand new as a tour vehicle. And you know, hats off to them. They're trying to keep some nostalgia on the island and some of the you know, early ambiance. So they have gone above and beyond to invest money in this bus to keep it on the island. And it's going to return to the island in about the next 30 days, and it's going to be traveling the island for another 50 years. You know, it's really cool. It's been down to the bare frame, brand new Cummins i6 diesel engine, Allison transmission, brand new disc brake front end, all new modern air braking systems. So it's brand new underneath. Just amazing. And then we've stripped this thing down. We've had all the sheet metal off it, rebuilt all the inner structure, and refinished the whole bus. Getting ready to put the interior back in it. We've got all the interior built for it and the flooring. So you can come in and take a peek at this thing. It's a pretty cool unit. So you can see that we put a central air conditioning system in this thing that's driven off of the motor, and it never had any climate control in it before. And it's got these view windows in it, so I can tell you it got hot on the island there when this thing was running around up in the interior of the island. So we've added that air conditioning system, and it's plumbed through all these AC vents up along the ceiling. So you've got all your ventilation, you've got your speakers and lighting. You guys did a great job on this thing. It's coming together. We're building a little bit of safety into these seats. We're going to build a structural piece along the floor here for the seats to bolt in to kind of bring it up to a little bit higher standard in case anything did happen, that the seats would stay in the vehicle, because they just bolt through to the wood floor, but not any longer. We're going to fix that problem. So, you know, this has been a great project and an honor for us to work on this for the Island Company, and we're really happy to see that it's coming together and almost done. So if you've got any collision repair, paint body on RVs, fire trucks, buses, we're here at OCRV in Yorba Linda, California to help you out. Thank you.